Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I know you guys, it's a lot, right? It's the tie-dye, there's a lot going on. I literally woke up today and I was like, I feel so happy today, you guys. Like, I can't explain it, it's just, I'm having like a really high day apparently, and I was like, it's a tie-dye kind of day. So we are of course going to be doing some unboxings today because I am just in a happy mood. I want to open up some fun things today. So we're going to be opening up the PLouise subscription box because usually this box will match my energy, and I figured, you know what, this has probably got some fun things in it. Plus, last month's box was so good, you guys. We had palettes in there. I really liked last month's box. So we're gonna go ahead and do a full unboxing of the PLouise subscription box and check it all out. Now, I believe that this is the August subscription box, if I remember correctly. This box always tends to ship later in the month, and then it always takes a little while to get here for me because it does ship from the UK. So I believe, since we're in September, that this is the August box. If you're interested in purchasing it, I do have a link listed down below for you guys. This is a monthly subscription where you will receive different beauty products inside of it. And it's just always cute and fun. You can kind of tell by the box that it's got that pink and gold vibe. Now, one thing I will recommend to you guys with this box is shipping is really expensive on this subscription. And I get it. It's international shipping. Shipping is expensive, period. But I do feel like it hurts. It makes the box very pricey. I switched over to an annual subscription because they only charge you a one-time shipping fee. And I think it was $17. And then after that, they don't charge you any more shipping fees. So for me, it just made more sense to purchase more boxes up front. So I would recommend with this subscription, you look at doing that versus buying it monthly. If you live in the UK, I actually think you get free shipping. So by all means, do once a month. But here in the States, which is primarily my audience, it's getting to the point that like it's making the box really expensive to buy. So I would look into if you can afford to do 3-6 months up front. They will charge you a one-time shipping fee and then that's it. So it makes your boxes a lot more affordable. So this is what it will look like down below in my box. I love how everything is turned around and backwards so you have no idea what's in here. So first item that I have in here, oh, it's cards. I don't think it's actually cards, but it looks like cards. I'm a huge card player too, you guys. Like, I love to play cards. Spades is my favorite, but don't get me wrong, you give me an Uno game too, and I will clean up. I love Uno, you guys. But spades is also my jam. And then, of course, my family has a few of their own card games that we've just always played. And I don't really know if, like, I think it's just something that I don't know, you guys, but I do like cards. So this that we have here today looks like the Queen of Hearts. It says, play your cards right. This is a lipstick palette. Oh, so this is what it looks like. It is a tin, so it's really cute. I like the Queen of Hearts design that is going on here. And then inside, oh, there's a button. Do I click? How do I open this? Why is it not? Oh, I didn't think a button would be this complicated, but apparently it is. Or maybe my button is broken. Why won't you open? This is taking forever. It should not be this hard to open up a palette. What am I missing? Do I press? Do I pull? Oh my gosh, I don't know how to open this. Okay. Ooh, it's melting a little bit. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first off, this button is cheap, okay? It's a cheap piece of plastic and it is so snug that you have to press like crazy on this to even get it to move. And one of the things I'll show you here, this is where they want you to press it on the outside, right? So in theory, you're like, yeah, just press it and it moves. But notice here, like it doesn't move. Like you have to press with all of your might just to get it in. Do you see what I mean? So it's really tough. And I don't know if that's just mine, but I hate that. Honestly, I would probably break that piece off just because I don't like that I can't get into this. But down below is our lipstick palette. So these are all going to be like cream shades. You can kind of notice, do you see how wet they are? So it could be that the heat got to this in shipping and it kind of made the oils separate a little bit. So it looks like really wet pans in here. Not all of them are. Those two in the middle are really wet. But I do like that there's a lot of different shade ranges in here. A few years ago with PLouise, we were getting a lot of the same shades month after month after month. And it's like, well, not everybody uses the same shades. This, I do feel like there is some variety in here. So it's kind of nice that there is a good mix up. Now I'm afraid to shut this thing though, you guys. Like, oh, so permanent. The next item that we have in here is the After Dark Hitting Snooze. This is like what you hang up on your doorknob that says like go away, or like you don't need cleaners in your room like at the hotel or something. That's what this looks like. It says do not disturb, social battery on charge. It is a skincare set. I love her packaging. I mean, seriously, it's just so cute. So this says it includes the nighttime Nourish Water. Ugh. So this includes the Nighttime Nourish Water Essence. There's also a moisturizing cream and a primer inside of this. But this trio features fermented rice water, avocado extract, and watermelon extracts inside of it. So let's go ahead and open it up. We'll take a look at all of these products. But I'm sure you could buy this whole set on the website, but having it in your subscription box, I bet is much cheaper. That's just my hunch. So this one will be the moisturizing cream, so it will give you hydration. They are all individually sealed, and it looks like we have, what is the size on this? 80 ml or 2.82 ounces. And her entire brand is cruelty-free now, so all of these products are gonna be cruelty-free. The next item that we have here is the water essence. And then our last item must be the primer over here. And this will help to get your skin ready for makeup. Actually, wait a second. This is a nighttime one, right? So probably not for makeup. Weird. It says poreless primer, but it's... What? Why would I need to put this on at night? There's Z's on it and everything. Silk Slumber. I would not use this at nighttime personally. But it says you'll blend it on your T-zone for a poreless finish, blend onto the skin softly, and leave for at least 10 minutes before following up with your makeup routine. Okay, see, I thought I was going crazy for a second, and I'm like, are we now putting primers on before bed for some reason? But no, this is meant for makeup. So it is a little confusing to me that this is a nighttime skincare routine, and they tell you that with the Z's on here that like don't disturb, but yet this is a primer to prep your skin before makeup. Last item that we have today. Take me away. This is like a to-go order. Oh my gosh. Like, here's your to-go order bag. And it says hot contents made with love. Get that bag. Meal deal 3, order up. 10 shades off the special list just for you, babe. It's serving heat. Thank you for your order. Oh my gosh, you guys. Best served sharp. There's so much to look at on here, you guys. I will just give you a minute because there's a lot on this packaging. It's folded over on the top, even like a to-go bag as well. I mean, it's so stinking cute. I love it. So I'm assuming since it says shades that we're getting like an eyeshadow palette in here or so. Oh no, these are pens. So inside we've got a whole bunch of liners. Okay, this way it'll be a little bit easier to show you guys. We have every liner shade possible in here. They all have individual names, but here are the shades that are inside of this kit. So I think these are gonna all be lip liners is my guess, just based off of the color story that we have here. So they're gonna work perfectly with the lipstick set that we saw earlier. These are really pretty. I love the shades that are on here, you guys. So yes, on the box, it does say lip pencil. So all of these are a pencil formula, but at least you've got lots of variety. And PLouise originally created this subscription for MUAs to build their kit. So when you would get these in, it was great because you had all the shades you would need for a professional sitting where you can do everybody's lips. You've got a little bit of every shade. Nowadays, so many people have caught on to this subscription like me that just loves to have makeup and try things. So I kind of like that even though Not every shade in here is going to be my shade. I do like that you can try them out still and see what works for you versus it just being one color that's being sent. Now you can try them all and go, okay, this is the one I like and I like this, and then you're able to reorder. So yeah, I think this is a really cool set. So that is everything inside of the PLouise subscription box for August 2024. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of all of these items in here. I mean, as always, it's cute, right? Like, I can't knock them on packaging. It is so adorable. It's fun. It's different. I do like still the original concept that you have in here things for MUAs to build their kit. If you want to start your business, this is a great way to do that. I do like the items that are in here, but I will say for a personal standpoint, I don't do a lot with my lips to begin with. So already the lip pencils and the lipstick palette are not my personal favorites. I'm all about eyeshadow and eyes and everything, you guys. Like, I'm sure you can tell that just by looking at me that I'm more about eyes than I am about my lips. So this box may not be my personal favorite, but I still think it's worth it in terms of value. I still think it's a decent subscription box. It's just not my own personal favorite box, right? But hey, the good news is that these can always go in future giveaways. So if you guys are ever interested in joining my membership program, we do have a program here on the YouTube channel where you can join that. Each month we do one giveaway a month for members only. These may also show up in some future boxes that I have coming up as well. So it's not like these are going to go to waste. They're definitely going to get reused and sent off to some people. I don't know where yet, but there's a few different avenues. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!